Everyone knows or has been exposed to that spinnerbaits that are used for bass also work fantastic for redfish. That's something that's not new. What is new is finding one that's durable enough and that has the action and that can withstand multiple strikes by big bull redfish. Well, Z-Man finally did it. They've got the Bullseye spinnerbait. And what makes it different is they've got a very durable, super strong, stainless steel R-bend live wire, which gives this bait maximum vibration and maximum durability. Attached to that is a stainless steel swivel. We've got this is a 4.0, 4.5 Colorado blade, which gives a ton of thump, which makes this wire really shake and wobble. Gives a lot of action to the bait. This is a quick release so that you can make bait switches very quick for different size weights. So I have a 1/4, and that's what I like to throw the most on my casting gear. They've got that attached to a iStrike jig head. Now the iStrike jig heads are super tough. They've got a heavy duty black nickel finish 3/0 hook here. And this pairs up nicely with the minnows, the diesel minnows, or even the swim and trout trick. When I'm fishing for redfish in Louisiana, a lot of the stuff that I'm trying to mimic is shrimp. So with having the vibration and sitting there and working it through the marsh grass and around the thin grass points and over oyster bars, this fried bologna minnows is an excellent shrimp imitator or even crawfish imitator and does a good job on fooling redfish. So if you're looking for a bulletproof spinnerbait, try the Z-Man Bullseye today.